today, one day at a time. One day at a time, sweet Jesus. That's all I'm asking of you. Just give me the strength